Hello everyone, good morning. We are here in the island. It's sunny day. It's Friday. Okay, wala pang ngayon. Wala pang mga boats. I'm back again here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, meron tayong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then ito. Yep. Yan yung binibisita ng mga turista. Dito banda yung nakita kong pan. Picture ni Ann Curtis. I don't know when. Kasi pan, kilala ko yung mga view dito. O diba? With the boats. Okay, let's go. Eh, malawak to. Tulog pang mga tao. And then let's go the other side. How are you guys? Have a nice day. Have a summer day. Maybe in your country it's raining. Raining snow. Charot. Diba? Raining snow. Oo, ulan ng snow yung mga iba. Sa Australia. Oh, yes. Okay, ito yung Via Cruz. Dito sa Via Cruz. Last year, merong nahulog na ko dyan. Bato. Oh, June eh. Meron yung aso. Ano kong nakita yan. Wait lang, gawa lang ako ng content. Nakita mo lang ako lumabas ka na. Wait a minute, wala pang kwanto. Wala pang 5 minutes. Ito, dito ako nag-vlog ng pan. Nung last year. Wait lang, baba tayo. Kasi baka mahulog yung pain. Merong ilang... close na yung pan. Ayan, may boat dyan. Oh, diba? Kakaiba yung boat na andun. Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday, there's a lot of boats because people, they don't have work. They will have a weekend in this island because there's a lot of restaurants, private resort here, and if they want to relax, you know. Oh, yan. Then, naka 1 minute pa lang. Yan. O, diba? Ilang minutes ba yung kanina? I don't know. I forgot. And let's go inside. Okay, I'm going to show you the water. Hopefully. Okay, and then in this base, I'm going to go down there to make another video again. Mainit na yung cellphone ko, uy. I'm just using my phone. And I have my 4K camera, but I don't, usually I don't use them. Maybe I'm going, ayan. Ay, may gumagawa ng panhon. Maybe this coming days, I'm going to use that camera. My 4K camera under the water. Because I have to do some videos here. Oh yeah. Okay. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and wait 4 minutes. Bye-bye, everyone. Have a nice day. Wait, I'm going to run 4 minutes. And then I'm going to... I'm